Hello ladies, I'm here today to teach you about a quick contour lesson, and I am using my trusty Lancome palette. You can tell which color I like the best, and this is our Lancome brush. It is wonderful because it has the powder type brush or for the blush on this end and the contour end here, and I'm going to show you real quick how I use both sides of the brush. And this brush is at Lancome. It's $26, so you guys check it out. Okay, for the first part of the palette, I am taking the dark contour here, and you've all seen the fishy face, but going to apply with the contour end of our brush, fishy face over here, and just upward sweeping motions toward the outside. Okay, also I always dab on the temple, We're going to do the jawline. This is so quick, ladies. Got to define that jawline. No double chins allowed. Okay, and we're going to do a little bit here, and also going to contour down the bridge of the nose, which this makes it disappear. And also I like to, my own little trick is to contour on each side. Then we're going to take the powder end of the brush, and I've got the second shade of the contour in our blush palette. This came from the beauty box last Christmas, ladies. And what I'm going to do is just use this, the powder end, to blend. And it's got a little bit of shimmer. You can do this with a highlighter if you wish. But I'm going to blend out where I have used, and see how it blends so beautifully. Doesn't take anything away from the contour. See, we're still well-defined cheekbones, well-defined features in our face. Then I'm going to take my blush brush, which also, it's got two ends. This is also from Lancome. And of course, you can see I use my pink. I'm a cool person, so cool skin tones. So we're going to go in with our pink over, and if I do have to blend out, see, that seemed a little dark. There's no color on this one, and so I use this end of the Lancome powder brush just for blending. Nice and rosy. And just a other tip that I also use sometimes, and the 5-minute face, ladies, if you've not seen that video, it is on YouTube. We're going back to the contour shade. Forgot this part, and I will just in the crease of the eye, in this blush palette, there's always, and see how I have defined my eye area. Blend that out. So I have a contour, shadow, 5-minute face, quick on the go. And just for another contour step, we are taking the Lancome brown brow, and I'm going to show you guys a different brow product besides the pencil. But for today, since we're talking about contouring, look at just how that frames. Ladies, we've got to do our eyebrows. It is a total face framing, and pencil makes it so easy. And I just kind of blend it out with my finger. There you go. And I'm going to have another lesson coming up soon. You guys stay tuned always at Kim's Beauty Biz. Take care. Bye-bye.